teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again. Taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a messy house clean with me video for you guys. Last week I did my morning routine for 2021. I was about to say 2018, but if you guys haven't checked that out, make sure you do. I will have that video linked down below for you guys. But today I started off by doing some laundry, and I kid you not, I did like 5 loads of laundry because it had been like a month or so since the last time I even did laundry, and this always happens when I'm in school because I just don't have time for literally anything, and all that laundry has just been piling up. We have done some smaller loads here and there, but as you can see, it just started stacking up. So I was like, you know what, I need to just do it all, and then we can just like start off fresh.
Start to dry.
So this little hallway upstairs is where we throw a lot of stuff, and we will just leave it there forever, especially on the handrail. We just start hanging clothes on there. I even have a bag right now that I'm supposed to be returning and just haven't had the chance to, but I ended up vacuuming the hallway and putting on some like smelly powder thing. I swear, this is like the best thing ever because it just has your carpet smelling so good. You will see further on in the video. So this thing is what has my carpet smelling so good. I try to add it on every time I vacuum, and this one's just in lavender, and I did get this from Target.
Head up in the clouds, oh my, since I met you. Sleep. Now what will I do? You celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshine. The planet's totally alive. Red fingertips, red lights every night. Since I met you, it's been somehow rational's been flushed down the toilet by us.
So like always, this is where most of the mess came from, and the living room doesn't get too dirty, but the dining room and the kitchen were extremely dirty. You can see right now, like, all that stuff on the table, like all that is just going in the trash. But anyways, as I was cleaning, I was listening to a podcast, And now I'm not usually like a podcast type of person, but I follow Unsolved Mysteries on Instagram, and they also have a show on Netflix. And recently they came out with a podcast. They just have one episode, so I listened to that one. And I also came across a podcast called Crime Junkies, and I'm really into like murder mysteries and all that fun stuff. And I listened to like 6 episodes already from Crime Junkies while I was cleaning. And that's gonna be like my new routine every time I clean because it's really good. But basically, they just talk about cases, sometimes cases that people have never heard of before, and sometimes cases that just happened like a few years ago and just weren't that big. And it's just really interesting to me. So if you're into that kind of stuff and like podcasts, I will definitely recommend it because I know it can be weird just listening and not being able to see the people. But when you're cleaning, you can't really watch stuff. So podcasts really do come in handy. So since I was doing laundry, I didn't have any of the rags that I usually clean with, and I honestly lost one because I usually do one for the kitchen and then one for like actual furniture stuff. But I've been using the one for the furniture stuff in the kitchen, so I need to go out and buy some. But instead, I was using some paper towels.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
So I think I might be weird for this, but whenever I fold laundry, I cannot stand when the bed is not made. I always have to make the bed before I start folding, and I think it's because the mess of the bed and all the clothes I have to fold can be overwhelming. Like, I'm not even sure why I'm like that. It's weird, and I feel like I am the only one who feels that way. And yeah, I don't know, it's just something that's like weird to me. So I actually enjoy doing laundry. I rather fold the laundry than put it away. And I feel like most people are the opposite. They rather just like, they hate laundry or they don't want to fold it. They just want to put it away or something like that. But I don't mind doing the laundry or folding it. I just really hate putting it away. And usually my boyfriend puts his away because in his closet, like, it's too high up for me, so he has to hang his own stuff. He does have like 2 sections where you can hang at the top and at the bottom, and the high one I just can't do it. And then I do put some on the bottom, but the bottom is mostly like everyday kind of stuff, and the top part is more of like the fancy clothes. So that's like my little excuse. I just have him do it, and then I'll put the other stuff away, or vice versa. Sometimes I will fold the laundry and he puts it away, which I absolutely love. This is so random, but every time I see myself from this angle, I can't stand how my hair looks because it's just so thick from the bottom, and like no one can ever cut my hair right. And I'm just like, why can no one cut my hair right? My hair is straight. I feel like that's like the easiest type of hair to cut. So the kitchen was the last thing on my to-do list for today. And like always, I just washed and put the dishes away, and I also wiped down the counters, and I hung our jackets and put the coffee pods away. I am honestly not a coffee person at all. I honestly hate coffee, and I feel like every time I have it, I just always have to throw up. But that is all for this messy house clean with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And also don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. I do post on here every Sunday. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I hurt tonight.